All right, I'm the flat rate master, and I hate clickbait. All right, so we all, as a YouTuber, we all kind of do a little clickbaity thing here in the title, help us get some views. And it's one thing to do, a little incendiary title to try to get views, but you deliver on what you talk about in the title. I'm sick of clickbait, straight up clickbait videos. Let's be honest. You go through your feed, and as you're a guy, you see a video with a chick with, and I'll click on that and then never see that picture in the entire video. That's clickbait. And, that's an extreme example, but in our genre, a lot of guys still do way too much. Watch this video till the end because there's something special. And you get there and you're like, why the hell did I watch this? I watch a lot of YouTube, in case you can't tell. And, most of the people on YouTube do great videos, great content, don't do super clickbaity videos, but you get that one, and there's one guy that is really, really, really bad, and I know his videos get suggested sometimes after mine, and it pisses me off because all he does is clickbait videos designed to get views without really any content. So it just kind of irks me. If you're gonna clickbait, at least deliver on the clickbait. At least deliver. Watching a 20-minute video for 3 seconds of what you actually clicked on the video is what irritates me. Hopefully I don't do that too much. Hopefully I deliver when I add clickbait, information in the title. Let me know in the comments. If I clickbait you too much, let me know. I don't want to, clickbait to piss people off just to piss people off. I'm not that much of a, I am, but that's another story. But let me know in the comments. What do you think about clickbait? Unfortunately on this platform, it works is one of the problems. And I'm just as guilty of everybody else of, oh, that looks interesting, click. And then you sit there for however long the video is and go, why did I watch that? That was just wrong. So let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, depending on what you think of the video. And thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.